Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for some extra storage, maybe a beautiful coffee bar like I have, you have to check out this gorgeous cabinet from Latimia. This cabinet is a really great height. I love it for my coffee bar, but even to put a microwave on or to use for kitchen storage or living room storage. It has two doors with two very generous size shelves, and then on the right side you have three smaller shelves. I love the extra detailing on the door, so pretty. This cabinet is very heavy, it feels sturdy, it's solid, very well made. This one is in the white and it has gold hardware, which I love, but they do have other options as well. The assembly process went very well. Everything goes together easily. The instructions were great. You can line up your doors so that they line up properly. Overall, this is the perfect addition to our home, and I'm sure that you'd really love it too. And that's my point of view.